Greetings, Panstar. Today we are going to play this game called Fruity Party. I know you guys have been waiting for this kind of a game, so I decided let me just try it. And if you are a new member, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and support the channel. We are just going to start right now. So let me see what we can do right now here in this game. It's a nice game. I'm loving the game. Actually, yes, I'm loving the game. So let's just begin with the game, guys. What do you think? Let's just begin with the game. I'm gonna do auto spins of 100 spins. We have 233 rand in our balance here. Let's just start. Let's hope to grab a huge grabber here. I think I won't play this game, and the time I played this game, I think I won. I can't really remember, but let's see what will happen today. Let's see if we can go with under 500 or 1000 or even more. The stars there, okay. Apple's pace, ne? 18 rand. That was huge, eh? The hearts, they couldn't connect. Can we get a bonus here? That's used too, okay. So Sunday we're going to be live. We are going to be live, guys, and then as I've said, I already bought my stuff. And thank you guys for all those who are willing to sponsor in this channel. You are really welcome to do that, and then to support also the channel. It's not easy to when you see this kind of videos, guys. We really prepare a lot and much time working on this kind of videos. And thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel too. I just want to see if we can I just want to see the bonus, if we can get it here. I wish we can just get the bonus, guys. What do you think? Okay. As we are patiently waiting for something huge here. Okay, I will take that. This game is called a Fruity Party. I think you guys will love this game, so I would love to know, why do you love this game, guys? It looks good, but I'm not sure about paying. Okay, let's see. Can I get something decent here? Okay. Can we just get the bonus, guys? Like, I think if we can get the bonus, it can really help. Okay. Just want to see if how will it be like. Oh, we can actually buy a bonus. Let me see if I can buy a bonus. Just want to see the bonus. How will it be for 60 rand? Let's just buy a bonus for 60 rand, guys, and let's see what will happen to this bonus. As normally the games that you buy bonus, it's not easy to spin into a bonus, you know. Okay, let the bonus begin. All right. Okay, it's a nice win. All right, it's a mega win. We'll take that. Okay, guys, we bought a bonus for 60 rand. We almost lost around, let's say, 16 rand or 16 rand 5 cents. So it was not really bad when after buying the bonus, but I want to see more. Let me just buy one more. I want to see more of this. I really want to see more. Okay, it's a nice win again. For 10 rand. Okay, we'll take that. Okay, we really lost now. Okay, we are on 90. Let's just try to spin it again with 120. Yeah, let's just try 120. Maybe we can spin into a bonus. Okay, I'm trying to check what, maybe something can happen, we don't know. Let's see what will happen in this fruity party. Okay. Times 2 there. Okay. I just want to see, why can't we spin into a bonus? Like, I think we deserve a bonus after this much playing. We've been playing this game. I think we really now deserve a bonus, guys. What do you think? Have you won in this game when you played? Can we spin into a bonus? I want a bonus, guys. I want to see what will happen with a bonus of buying it with 120, if we could have bought it. Okay, keep going. The music is nice. Okay. All right. Okay, that was nice too. Alright guys, we spent 100 spins and nothing. We didn't get anything, we lost. So maybe we're gonna win next time guys, and thank you for watching.